In this video, I will show you how to change trading password on Exness. So firstly, you need to be signed to your account. I'm already signed. Then on the left side, you want to choose my accounts under trading. And then from my accounts, you can choose either from real or demo account. So I want to change it on demo account. So I'm gonna open demo. And here you just need to select your account for which you want to change it. So let's say this first one, and then click on three dots next to it. And from the drop down, choose change trading password. And now you just need to type your new password. So it has to be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. So I'm gonna quickly type my new password. And then you just want to click on change password. And this is how you can change your trading password on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.